Hello everyone, I'm Prachi and you are tuned in to the 530th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today we bring you the latest buzz from insurance industry. So let us dive right in. Let us kick off today's episode with some exciting news from DD News. In a landmark initiative, Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently launched the Bima Sakhi Yojana in Panipat, Haryana, a scheme designed to empower rural women and advance India's mission of insurance for all by 2047. This program is being implemented by LIC and aims to bring financial protection and awareness to the grassroots level. Women between the ages of 18 and 70 who have completed at least class 10 can now become Bima Sakhi's community level insurance facilitators. These women will receive monthly stipends and performance based incentives, enabling them to earn while educating others about the importance of insurance. This initiative is a part of a broader effort to ensure that every citizen, regardless of location or income, has access to financial security. By training and supporting women to become insurance ambassadors in their villages, the scheme is also promoting financial literacy, self reliance, and community trust. Up next, we spotlight a government initiative from News 8 Plus. Across India, both the central and state governments are running a range of welfare schemes aimed at strengthening the agriculture sector and improving the lives of farmers. These initiatives not only offer financial support but also introduce modern technologies and safety nets to help farmers thrive in an ever changing environment. The Pradhan Mantri Kisan Man Dhan Yojana scheme is designed to provide social security to vulnerable farming families. Farmers aged between 18 and 40 can contribute a small monthly amount ranging from rupees 55 to rupees 200 and receive a pension of rupees 3000 per month after turning 60. Aimed at small and marginal farmers, the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme offers direct financial assistance of rupees 6000 annually, disbursed in 3 equal installments. With the 20th installment set to be released soon, PM Kisan continues to be a lifeline for millions, helping them manage seasonal expenses and invest in better farming practices. These schemes reflect a deep commitment to the welfare of India's farmers. By combining financial aid, insurance, and retirement planning, the government is sowing the seeds of more secure and prosperous future for rural communities. Our next update from Indian Retailer reports the importance of marine insurance that plays a vital role in protecting cargo during international transport. It covers risks from storms, theft, accidents, piracy, and even war or civil unrest. Coverage extends beyond sea routes through inland marine insurance, safeguarding goods from warehouse to warehouse via truck, train, or inland waterways. Policies follow Institute Cargo Clauses A, B, and C, with Clause A offering all risk coverage and B and C providing limited, cost effective options. War and strike clauses cover conflict zones, while the transit clause ensures protection throughout the journey, including loading, unloading, and temporary storage. More than loss recovery, marine insurance enables trade by helping businesses manage risk, reroute shipments, and maintain financial stability. Ultimately, marine insurance is not just about recovering losses. It is a strategic tool that enables trade, helping businesses manage unexpected costs, reroute shipments, and maintain financial stability. Our final story today from Midday. Gone are the days when the health insurance was just about hospital reimbursements. Chola MS Health Insurance has launched Wellness First plans that focus on keeping you healthy, not just treating you when you are sick. These modern policies include annual health checkups, fitness benefits, telehealth access, and even discounts on gym memberships and diet consultations. With lifestyle related illnesses on the rise, preventive care is becoming essential. According to WHO, up to 80% of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes and 40% of cancer deaths can be prevented through early interventions and healthy habits. That is where health insurance is stepping in not just as safety net but as a wellness partner. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.